Welcome to Lexus. The exciting 2023 RX is finally here. The 8th generation of the RX. Wow, what a sleek car, all the way from the 19-inch standard wheels to the 21-inch available wheels. As we start coming towards the rear of the car, after all these years, they finally bought the word Lexus back. You now know what brand it is automatically. This is the new exciting RX350 all-wheel drive. 4-cylinder turbo, generates up to 275 horsepower. I also want you to take a look at the interior with the 14-inch multifunctional screen. Everything is at your fingertips. Everything that you need to make your car exciting and fun to drive. Backup camera, much crisper and stronger than the predecessor, to the touch putting the car in park. Again, the exciting 2023 RX350 is here at Lexus RiverCenter.